Hey everybody, welcome to Unit 102 here at Lighthouse Landing, my new listing. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, totally turnkey and completely adorable. Screened-in porch, great view, boat slip right in front with a hoist. I can't wait to show you this great package. Let's check it out. Lighthouse Landing is located on the 1-mile marker of the lake in a quiet cove that's great for fishing or swimming. This unit comes with a 12 by 28 boat slip with a hoist, ready for your boat. For more information or to book a private showing on this cute little condo, contact Krantz & Associates, 573-302-2355.